My name is Stephanie, the owner of Steph's Crafty Space. My videos are full of pretty, practical, and inspiring planner spreads, office decor, how-to videos, honest product reviews, an occasional haul, and a surprise or two. I plan every aspect of my life using various planner types, sizes, and styles. So stay tuned to see what's happening today at Steph's Crafty Space. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, welcome. Today's gonna be a little bit different. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. So this is my Skinny Classic, which I take with me on the go, doctor's appointments, making sure I have all the appointments, right? Because when I'm out and about, I don't have my big planner with me, so I use this one. But one of the things, let me show you September. So one of the things that I do not like about the Skinny Classic is this. My brain does not understand this as a calendar. My brain understands this as a list. So I create my own monthly calendar. So this is for July, and this one was for August. And now I'm going to show you how I create it. So we're gonna do this together. So the first thing I do is I get dot grid paper, and then I'm going to create on here first, and then we'll put it in here. So let me show you how to do that. And to be honest with you, I always forget how many dots, so I'm going to write them down this time, and then make sure it's the correct side. So this is going to be the left side, and this is going to be the right side. Then I have my ruler because I cannot draw straight. Half the time I can't draw straight even with the ruler. Okay, so what I do is I go 3 down for sure. Now on the left side we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this section right here is not gonna have squares. That's what I decorate, or I put the month or whatever. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6. So we're gonna go 3 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's gonna be my first dot. Let me do this in pencil because I'm doing it on film, which means that there's a chance I'm gonna lose track of what I'm counting and saying and mess it up. Okay. So we go 3 down. Now first I have to create my day box. So we're going to go 3, 1, and I count the dot that I start. So that one, sorry, the lead wants to be weird. There we go. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that will take you to the end. And this is your days of the week boxes. Okay. And we can go ahead and draw those out. I just use a black pen, nothing fancy. And sometimes I don't even use a ruler when I do this, but for the sake of making it look decent, I think I can handle this. So that's going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down and count 6, but I'm going to start with the last dot that I counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is that 6? No, I think it's more than 6. I think this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I promise I will not make y'all watch this entire process with me counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And unfortunately, I cannot talk and count at the same time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's going to be right at the bottom. Okay. So I know this one, these lines are accurate, so I'm just going to go like this. Now I can take the straight edge because I have my dots, and I'm actually going to go across first. So I'm going to do across, because we don't need to count all the dots, just so we know where to draw the line. This just makes so much more sense to my brain. Other people probably do not care, and maybe none of y'all do, but I just wanted to show you that there are options for creating this if you are like me and do not like the current overview. And granted, they're not big boxes or anything like that, but they are a good enough size to where I can keep track of important things. So I'm not overbooking or double booking myself. Because you know, when you walk into a doctor's appointment and then they want to schedule you for a follow-up, and then you're like, oh yeah, I can totally do that. And you get home and you look at your planner and you're like, oh, I totally cannot do that. And you have to call them back and reschedule, and it's such a pain. Okay, so that is going to be the left side. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side. It's the same exact concept, except you start over here because you need 4. So you need Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So this is going to have squares. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side, and then we'll be right back. All right, so we have we have it down. Now, this is so crooked. Anyway, y'all probably wouldn't even notice if I wouldn't have said anything. But of course I have to say something. We have to point out the things that we're not doing. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through here, and I use these dates because they're small. So let me see if there's days of the week that are small. September actually has a holiday. So I do have months that are small, but I do like this size a little bit better. And I have September, but it's black. Trying to see if they have days of the week, and I don't think so. No. Okay. But I know, because I just looked through this book, that this book has days of the week. The Monday, Tuesday, although I think they may be a bit big for that. I may be able to use these and cut it down. Wednesday's just big regardless. I need to remember this book for all those little dots and things. I always forget about it. Alright, I am going to, I don't know if I want to use gold though. And I just think that these are going to be just too big. So even if I cut it down, the words are too big. Alright. So this is the book I want to use. And so let me see, it does, let me see what kind of colors we have for September. Now September for most people is going into fall, not so much with us, but let me see what kind of colors we have. All right. See, there is gold here, so I'm just seeing what all we have. I think I like these girls right here. So let me see. Okay, so I can use gold, which was in the journaling, and maybe if I cut them down. So let me see. Sorry guys. Wednesday is the longest day. Sunday, how do I do it? I think Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So Wednesday is a tad long. Alright, so let me get my stamps and I'll be... Okay, so I got these date stamps and I will link them in the description box. So most of my links are affiliate links, which I do get a tiny percentage. It does not affect your cost at all. It's just a way for me to make a little extra. So if you purchase from my affiliate link, I get a few cents. But hey, a few cents adds up over time. Okay, I don't know if this is the color I want. I'm gonna go with blue. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, so let's just get some blue on here. Make sure it's facing the right way. And then we will just put Sunday right there. There we go. I was kind of confused. So they just like come off, and then I can put it right back on the bottom, just like that. So we're just going to stamp the days of the week. Very nifty. If you don't, because this is very small, and so I am glad. Just make sure that it is facing the proper way, or you will have an upside down day of the week. I think I got these on Amazon. Like, of course, right? Like, what do we not get off of Amazon? And the ink, I think I got at Michael's. Alright, now the days of the week are done and they're all back in order, so you just take them off and put them, and then they go back in order. So the days of the week are done, and you can see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then you got the rest of them, and Wednesday like barely fits, but it is in there. So then the next thing I want to do, excuse me, I'm sorry, the allergies are just a thing. So I know I'm going to be using So I put the blue up here. And funny thing is, I don't think I have that much blue in the ones I picked. So we have a more greens and grays. Greens and grays. So let's see what we have. I can use this September. I'm going to take this one off and get my wax paper. So we can use that September up there. But the next thing that I need to do is get the dates. I wonder if the September would look better with some of the greens. No, I'm okay with that. Honestly, I think it's the same color. So we're going to do the dates. So what I do, I thought I said okay a lot. I think I say so a lot also. Now I need to find the calendar. So one of the things about this calendar that's in it is it starts on the 1st regardless of what day that is, and that would just be so confusing to me. So the 1st starts on a Tuesday. Alright, so we will get the 1st and put it right there. And that is all I'm going to do for the rest of this is put the dates. So let me do that, and then we shall return. Okay, y'all, I have all the dates on here, and where is this? Okay, so now I need to find the holidays. So we have Labor Day, and that's the only holiday I'm too terribly worried about putting on here. Memorial, Independence, Patriot Day. I've used this Labor Day already. Veterans Day. Where's Labor Day? Good Friday, Easter, Fall. I guess I've used that Labor Day also. Well, now I've got to find another book. I'm thinking the Heather Kell book has... It's kind of big though. I may not have a choice. Let me just see. Labor Day. I'm going to put it up here first. And Labor Day is the 7th. Okay, in all reality, that's not that bad. Alright, so we can do that. So Labor Day it is. Right there. Okay. Now we can put September. Like right across the top like that. I don't worry about putting the year because I know what year it is. And now we can decorate. September, no, I don't have any September birthdays, so I don't have to worry about that. And my husband hasn't scheduled vacation for September yet. So right now we're just going to decorate it. Now, I really do like this sticker. The only problem is I think it is going to be too wide. But I may use it anyway. So let's just see. If I do it, but it cuts, oh, I can put it up here. But it will still cut off a good chunk. Well, okay, that's just not gonna work. Not gonna work right there. I do like it though. All right, so I think what I'm gonna end up having to do is just put a bunch of cute girls doing some things over here. Are these too big? Keep wanting to use these bigger stickers. And this is the mini book. Like this is super mini. All right, this is Sunday. Ooh, I can put it right here. Yes. That is the thing about like drawing your lines before you decorate. And then you end up whitening them out. That's okay. At least we have the option, right? So I'm gonna let that dry. So I have that. And then I have this space here. And I am going to go ahead and do this, but I'm going to find a quote, I think. The squad girls don't have quotes. Okay, that would not be bad right there. All right, so I'm going to put that down there. I'm going to use that. Let's see. Again, it's just me decorating this, and I'm going to end up using quite a few of the little girls. I just wanted to see what we had for right here. Where is this hot pink coming from? Okay, she has hot pink in her shirt. So that's it. But I want to use this and put that over here. I'm just waiting for some of this to dry, and then I can add to it. Okay, and then we get into the yoga girls. Okay, so I want to put this down here. And these girls is gonna go, oh, I need to white that out more. Because that black really shows through the S gel. Okay. I have some leftover washi strips that I used, and I don't even know what spread. But they're blue, they're navy, and stripes. And there's navy right there. So I want to use this. If I can unravel it. Oh goodness, come on. Washi can be so difficult. Y'all do me a big favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and just click that subscribe button, ring the bell so you don't miss anything. Hit that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and it helps my channel out. Oh, that's cute. That really makes a big difference. That is adorable, actually. Alright, now, okay, I still am not happy with that. I think I'm going to have to get out the big guns. Which is the actual whiteout. Not just the jelly roll. Now that's going to take a little bit longer to dry, and that's okay. Alright. So the girls are going to go up there. What can we put? What is this? This is my happy place. I love it. You know what I should have done? And it's never too late, right? It is never too late to pull stickers up and put them somewhere else. I should have centered this instead of putting it at the bottom. Come on, washi. I know you don't like being manipulated so much, but you'll get over it. There we go. Now I think this is going to look better. You can use the little dots to help you line everything up straight. Now that I have that, so I can get like this little crafter girl. Yeah, we'll use her. And we will let her craft down here. There we go. Now that's much better. Okay, I like it. And I just need to, especially since I pulled it up so many times, just need to smooth it out. And the girls. All right. And now I'm just going to get some of, ooh, let me do this little leaf right here. And that will kind of fill that little space. Yep, like it. Now I can get the little ones, the wee girls, and just place them sporadically on some different days. So let's see, how are we gonna do this? Right there. She looks so comfy. Right there. I don't want to do too many. But what I can do is just use some of this washi and just put it down. No rhyme or reason, y'all. Just putting some washi because I have it left over. Okay, well that I don't like. I really don't want to get more washi out, so we're just going to make this work. There we go. It's kind of sporadic. I say it's sporadic and I keep moving it to make it look more uniform maybe? I don't know. Okay, that's it. I'm done. This is it, because I can't do too much because then I won't have room to write. So yes, this is how it is. So this is how I create my own monthly view for the Skinny Classic, and then use minimal decoration. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, y'all have a blessed day. Bye!